Good thing we didn't come here for my hair today, because yes, my hair is still on that same situation. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then please be sure to go check out my vlog from the last video. I explained to you guys like how my hair was after I took the passion twist out and what I was trying to do. So what I am doing is nursing my hair back to good health. I know it looks a little crazy, a little weird, a little different than what I usually do. Good thing we're not here for my hair. So when I was explaining to you guys in the last video that I wanted to just change up my style, and let me just pause 1 second. I know it looks different because I have a plant right here. I look like a kid because I was trying to take Depop pictures of just clothes I'm trying to get rid of, and my phone is out of storage, so I have to like delete things to clear it all up. And then my Canon Connect wasn't working on my camera, but for my phone through my camera, so I was like, you know what? Let's just film this video and then I'll come back to the Depop later, because this will be my first time actually putting things on there to sell and just to start my little shop, you know? So like I was saying, what I was explaining to you in the last video was that I was trying to find what works for me, because you know I'm on my weight gain journey, and so you know I felt as though some clothes weren't fitting me a certain way, and I felt like I couldn't shop for myself because I didn't know my size. And then when I did find my size, the clothing actually just didn't look right on me, and that's just how I personally felt. So the route that I believe that I'm going towards is to just drop fast fashion altogether, because you guys know that situation. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I have a life update on my channel. So I have a life update, and I just explained to you guys like me working fast fashion, and I've worked slow fashion, which was Tommy Hilfiger. But you know, fast fashion is just definitely not something that I want to keep going towards anymore, or just keep investing in, because for one, I'm 5'10", and it's already hard finding stuff, so I kind of don't feel like I'm missing anything if I, you know, stop shopping fast fashion. And I want to be more sustainable, and that just means if I have to shop, I would probably most likely go into secondhand shops like thrift stores, or I would go to Plato's Closet and just stores like that. I just want to make sure that I am giving back to the earth, and I want to make sure that I'm not harming, you know, our environment any more than what we're already doing. And so I finally decided, I finally kept my mind on it, and I think this is something that I want to keep doing. So, which is why I have a pair of jeans here from the thrift store, and I'm going to show you guys how I turn low-rise jeans into high-rise jeans. And another reason why I wanted to shop more sustainable is because being that I worked with Forever 21, I actually found out that they weren't paying their workers, I believe it was like $4 an hour, maybe even less than that, I'm not sure. But the fact that they make these items and they're not all that best of quality, but a lot of people invest their money into fast fashion, and it's like an ongoing process of working in sweatshops. Sometimes their working conditions are just not good at all. So with that being said, this video is sponsored by Ana Luisa. The reason why I wanted to collaborate with Ana Luisa is because they are a sustainable jewelry brand. They are actually what I'm wearing right now, which is this gold necklace, and then I have on this gold wristlet. Ana Luisa uses 100% recycled gold and sterling silver. And so here are some facts about just how gold is made. So it takes about 20 tons of earth mining to produce a single ring of gold, and cheap jewelry is rarely recyclable, making it a huge waste. And I don't know if you guys remember in my older videos, but I was wearing a lot of just fake gold necklaces from Forever 21, which I thought was cute, but you know, over time you didn't see me wear it, and that's just because it was turning. So over time I just stopped wearing the necklaces, and so I definitely feel for just all of that waste that we produce just by buying fast fashion jewelry. Bigger brands, they actually charge you 10 times the cost of production, and they eliminate the retail markup. So they are keeping the prices as fair as possible and accessible. When I went to their website, I seen that their prices actually start around the $40 range, and I've seen some pieces that were $50 ranges. So that's very affordable, especially knowing that the gold and the silver is made from Louis Vuitton and Tiffany. The thing about this necklace. So this is how the necklace look, and it is so cute and dainty. You guys know I like very simple and very basic things because I feel like it just, I don't know, it's just the smaller details for me. I have my finger on it. Okay. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, but it's called Jusuf. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but that's what the necklace is called. This gold bracelet, she is called Elena. And then the third piece that they sent me are these hoop earrings. She is called Scarlet. And so I just thought these were so cute and simple because they kind of have like a double loop effect. We're here for sustainable fashion and sustainable jewelry. So thank you, Ana Luisa, for sending me these pieces. I'm not trying to over exaggerate on the jewelry, but it's just that it's been a long time since I've had anything that was actually real. And I mean, like, earring, jewelry wise, like, it's been a long time because, like I said, the prices were very high. So, you know, I was just wishful thinking, you know, buying things from fast fashion. But now that I know that there's a brand out there that is actually taking into consideration of the earth while being sustainable and creating cute pieces for us, you know, you can't beat it. You can't beat it. So I'm here for this brand, and if you want to try them out or check out their website, I have a discount code. It is TaylerCmone.10. Okay, now try to show you guys how to turn low-rise jeans into high-rise jeans, but this may turn into a voiceover, to be honest, because I only tried one pair yesterday. So I'm going to just record my steps and just show you. That's it. You guys know how I am. First, grab a pair of your favorite high-waisted jeans and measure from the top of the waistband to the middle seam near the crotch area. Mine came out to 10 inches, but I added 2 more inches because I would like for it to sit more nicely on my waist. Now take your low-rise jeans and measure the same length that you just took from your favorite pair. If you have a white colored pencil or washable marker, then mark some dots or small lines. They don't have to be as big as mine. I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. We are marking this area because this will be our new crotch. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm saying crotch because I want to be as thorough as possible with this demonstration. We are going to make a diagonal line down to that area. Make sure it's tapered into the inseam and not directly to that line, and you'll see where I mess up at, but I do fix it. Now grab your scissors and cut out the right and left side of that triangle. It looks crazy, but this is where our new front seam will be at. Now flip your jeans to the back side and you will be doing the exact same thing. I know it looks crazy, but trust the process, and if you're following along, take your time and pause the video if you have to. Flip your jeans inside out because you would want the right size pinned together before sewing. Where we cut that triangle out, we're going to open it up and make both leg seams touch. After we make the serge leg seams touch, put that extra fabric to both sides so that we can see a straight line. That'll be where we're going to sew along at. Now we are going to pin along the line. This will ensure that both right sides are equal and we can sew straight without the fabric moving out of place. Now that everything is pinned, we should be able to see the pants more clearer now. So you'll see this is the front and this is the back. Front, back. When you first start sewing, be sure to backstitch. This will prevent your pants from unraveling while washing them. Sped this clip up, but make sure you are sewing slowly because denim is a tough fabric and I broke one of my needles. Actually, I broke two. But yeah, I broke my needle and yeah, just make sure you're sewing slow. This is the brand of denim needles that I was using for this sewing machine, but to be honest, they aren't that tough because I actually broke one of these too. So we are done sewing and it should look like your pants are complete. So this is what it looks like on, and I was very impressed to have done this with denim. This was my second attempt, and the only thing that I had difficulty with was to cinch my waist and to tighten the hip area. So I tried the dart method, but it didn't look very flattering in the back, and then I wanted to cut the pockets out and try the double dart method, but that didn't go too well for me, so I'm just going to have to test out a different method. I'm so excited to figure it out because I'm 5'10", and I'm sure my tall girls can relate to purchasing weird fitted pants, so I'm more into reconstructing my clothes. Plus, I'm a fashion graduate, so I would love to experiment and to share my tips for all tall women out there. We deserve clothes that will flatter our body type, you know? If you would like to follow my progress with that, then be sure to like and subscribe so that I can show you guys the process in my next video. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped.